Yet standard 7. Let's begin with question number 3 of exercise 4.2 exponent and pass. Question is simplify. You have to keep in mind the rules of exponent, that bases are same, in between multiplication is there, powers will be added. Bases are same, in between division is there, powers will be subtracted. Anything raised to power 0 means 1. And 1 you have to keep it in mind, that is the formula BOD mass. BOD mass, B for bracket, then operation, division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So with the help of these two, we will do our questions. Firstly, power raised to power, so multiply power into power. 3 raised to power I will do directly. 2 into 3, 2 into 3, that will become 6. 4 raised to power 2. Power is not in minus, you have to see carefully, power in negative. Minus 7 raised to power 3, then 2 raised to power 2, 3. Now write 3 how many times? 6 times. 4 you have to write 2 times. Minus 7 you have to write 3 times. In the denominator, 2 you have to write 2 times, and 1 3 you have to write. 1 3 and 1 3 cut. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, this 2 and 2 again cut. Denominator nothing is left. Numerator you have to multiply 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, then into 4, then into minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7. This multiplication you will do yourself. See these negatives, minus minus cut, but this minus is left, so minus will come in the answer. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81, 3s are 243, 7 7 49, 3 up to so on. You have to do yourself. Answer will minus 3 3 9 6. Come to this question. 4 raised to power 2 means you have to write 4 2 times, 3 into 3 3 times. Then addition, multiplication भी है, addition भी है. See this question carefully. 3 into 2 6, 5 2 into 2, 2 you have to write 2 times. Firstly, according to this BOD mass, bracket, no bracket is there, then division is not there, then you have to solve multiplication. So this multiply and this multiply. So 4 4s are 16, then 16 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 16, it will become 432, plus 6 minus 5 to 10 to 20. Now 432 plus 6, 438 minus 20. 438 minus 20, that will become 418. Come to question number 3. See carefully. Bases are same, in between division is there, so powers will be subtracted. Power. This is bracket. Bracket means this whole power. Whole power means these powers belong to all terms in the bracket. जितने ब्रैकेट के अंदर डिजिट हैं, पावर सबको बिलोंग करती है. 3 को भी बिलोंग करती है और 5 को भी बिलोंग करती है. तो फर्स्टली यू कैन सॉल्व, गिव पावर टू ईच. ये पावर 3 के ऊपर भी आएगी और ये पावर 5 के ऊपर भी आएगी. 2 पावर ऑलरेडी थी और ये 2 पावर आउटसाइड वाली. इनसाइड पावर एंड आउटसाइड पावर मल्टीप्लाई, इनसाइड पावर आउटसाइड पावर मल्टीप्लाई. 50 minus 49 1. 2 2s the 4, 3 you have to write 4 times, 5 you have to also write 4 times. 15 raised to power 1 means 15 you have to write only 1 time. 3 you have to write 4 times. 5 also you have to write 4 times. Now you will multiply all these. Bracket you can open. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81. 5 5s are 25, 25 into 25, 625. Now you will do this multiplication. It will approximately 75937.5. I have done this